In order to understand how the universe works, you have to be able to see it across the electromagnetic spectrum, all the different kinds of light that there are. Now, invisible light, what we're used to, you can see me, I can hold up a coffee cup, for example, and it doesn't look particularly interesting. But in infrared, it becomes this glowing object that you could see all the way across the universe if you had heat-sensitive eyes. The Spitzer mission has completely rewritten the textbooks when it comes to infrared astronomy. The world has changed.
I couldn't imagine that it wasn't going to work, but I had no conception it would work as well as it has.
We started out observing incredible star-forming regions where we could look inside the dark dust, see the first moments of stars and planets' lives, but that was just the beginning. Spitzer has also made one of the first really accurate maps of the Milky Way galaxy. We were the first mission to directly detect light from an exoplanet, really say, this light is not coming from a star, but from a planet.
We've gone ahead to start characterizing what their atmospheres are made of, the composition, the dynamics.
And from that, we made the first crude but real weather maps of what weather on planets that are 200 light years away is like. Spitzer has to be very, very cold because, of course, it's observing heat from things that are literally billions of miles away. We have a coolant, which is only a few degrees above absolute zero.
We knew that eventually we'd reach the day when that last ounce of liquid helium boiled away.
Spitzer will be transitioning into a warm mission. It's really not very warm, but it's warmer than the cold mission was.
Warming up a little bit means that 2 of our 3 instruments will no longer be functioning. However, the instrument that will still be around, the infrared array camera, is the one that's responsible for most of the gorgeous imagery that you see coming out of Spitzer.
We will be able to do larger mapping than we have been able to do in the past.
We'll be looking more at warmer objects, more at stars than at planets themselves and at asteroids.
The Spitzer Space Telescope is by no means done with its mission. Things have changed, but I kind of think of it as a second career.